396 Chevelle. Like that. Better get my wallet. I'm gonna go walk around.
You're kidding. And he tells you the same thing over and over. I think he's getting a little bit of it.
No,
I mean, when I'm talking to him on the phone, he'll tell me about it.
Yeah.
And then he'll tell me about it 2 days later.
Oh my
And
God.
I don't tell him that he's done told me. You see what I'm saying?
Oh my.
I mean, I don't know. You know, I mean, I'm just saying, we get paid the same thing over and over. It's always a sign of that.
It's a good sign of it, yeah.
I don't know if he'll be up here tonight or not.
Nova. Small block Nova. C8. C4. C8. That buggy and Porsche are a nice combo. That big old Regal. 56 Chevy. There's another C6. I was wondering if I'd see another one. Not this car. MX-5. There's a Cuda down there. Gotta check out this Cobra real quick. 289. Little zipper. Yeah, it looks like an original. It's probably not, but it looks like it. There's that cool Porsche. That guy's talking about how these are made in Norwood. Yeah, Camaro plant. Paxton supercharger on a Fox Buddy. Has a B&M 50 with a Pro charger. I think I was following this guy on the road earlier and, you know, had to put a pass on him. He's probably scared to drive his car. Another C6. Ooh.
It was in a plastic bag, and he pulls the plastic bag off of it, and here's your car. And he said, I gotta put it back in tonight. Because I already asked him why it's sitting there. You didn't have a cell phone back then either, where you could snap one. I would have had to have like a Polaroid. Probably can't go outside with a cell phone now. Probably not.
C5. Nice interior. Charger. Dominator. Yeah, there's a nice Pro charger.